Hello my dear children, welcome back to our EVS class. Children, we were learning chapter 5, Anita and the honeybees. We already learned about Anita and we also learned how she started going to school and how she eventually became a beekeeper. Okay, now we'll learn more about beehive. So in this video we will be discussing about what a beehive is. So children, I hope you remember in the previous video, in the previous classes we learned that Anita is a beekeeper, isn't it? Because she is growing bees. So have you ever thought where a bees grow? The home of the bee or the place where bees live, okay, is called beehive. You must have seen such structures in nature itself, isn't it? The beehive, isn't it? So the place where the bees live is called a beehive. Okay, it is a beehive. So beehive is made of bee wax. Okay, the hive is made of bee wax. Beehive is the home of the bees and it's made of bee wax. And the structure that you see over here, if you look closer to the hive, you can see over here there are hexagon shaped structures. Okay, that is a comb. That structure we call as a comb. Beehive is made of the comb, that is a hexagon structure. Okay, that means it has 6 sides. See, 6 sides are there. It is the comb of the bee. And you also know, children, bees collect nectar, isn't it? Nectar is the sweet juice that bees collect from the flowers, isn't it? That sweet juice the bees will bring inside the comb. They will spit it out into the comb, isn't it? Inside the comb, if you look carefully, you can see cavity, isn't it? There is a space inside the comb. In that they will spit out the nectar and they will seal it with the wax. Okay, after some time the honey will be formed. Okay, once the honey is formed, it will start oozing from the beehive. Okay, it will start dripping out of these combs. See, here you can see it is fully filled with the honey. So from that we will be collecting the honey. Okay, so it's actually the nectar that bees spit into the comb and then they will seal it. After some time it will be converted to honey. Okay, so if you look at this beehive, children, you can see many bees, isn't it? You can see many bees. So bees live in groups. Okay, bees live in groups. So bees live in groups called colonies. The group of bees are called colonies. Bees means the honey bees. Okay, honey bees live in colonies. Colonies means there will be a group of honeybees. It's not just a single honeybee, there will be many honeybees. Okay, so honeybees live in groups called colonies. They are not living individually, they are living as a group. And if you look at the honeybee colony, you can see 3 types of honeybees. The queen honeybee, the worker honeybee and the drone honeybee. Okay, the queen honeybee, worker honeybee and the drone honeybee. The queen and the worker honeybees are female honeybees and the drone is the male honeybee. Okay, so the queen, 3 types of honeybees you can see, queen and the worker honeybee. worker honeybees or the worker bees. Both of them are female honeybees. Okay, they are female honeybees, and drone. Drone is the only male one. In a colony, if you look children, you can see only few number of drones. And if you look at a colony, this one is a colony. Okay, in such one beehive, if you are taking one beehive, there will be only one queen bee. Okay, there will be only one queen. Okay, there will be only a single queen bee. Okay, only a single queen bee will be there. And what does it do? The queen bee lay eggs. Okay, she is the one that lay eggs. Okay, she lay eggs. So only a single queen will be there. She is the one that lays egg. And worker bees, many worker bees will be there. And you know children, worker bees have many roles. Okay, what all roles does they do? They collect nectar. Okay, they collect nectar. Then they build the hive. They are the one who makes the hive. And they also feeds the baby bees. Baby bees as well as the other bees. So queen bee, only one queen bee is there per hive. Queen bee lay eggs. And the worker bees, there will be many worker bees. Worker bees are also female bees. They have many jobs to do. Okay, they fly around many kilometers or miles. They fly around a long distance and they search and they collect nectar and then they bring back to the beehive. Okay, and they are the ones who builds the hive also. They makes the hive and they feeds the baby bees in the beehive and also the other bees which are there in the beehive. The drone bee, the male bee doesn't have any role. Only a few number will be there. If you take a hive, most of the honey bees will be the worker bees, and the worker bees are the main bees who will sting you. Okay, and male bees, they don't have much role. They will be always in the beehive, and their only job is to help the queen to make the eggs. Other than that, they don't have, the male bees called as the drone don't have any other work. So if you look over a beehive, the most important is the worker bee. Worker bees are the most important in a beehive, because only if worker bees are there, a beehive will be built. Understood? So in a beehive or in a colony of bees, we can see three types of bee. In a particular hive, in a hive you can see only a queen bee. Then there will be few drones or the male bees. Then there will be many worker bees. Queen and worker bees are the female bees. Worker bees fly a long distance to search nectar and it will bring back to the flower, and it will also feed the baby bees. It will also build the comb or the beehive, and it will also feed the other bees which are there in the colony. So they are working all the time. And you all know children, when one worker bee, when bees find a flower that has nectar, they will do a particular type of dance to tell other bees that there is nectar in that flower, so that the other bees can also come and collect. So the bees collecting nectar is the worker bees. Okay. Then here we learned about one type of insect which lives in group and work together in group, isn't it? They are working together. So likewise there are also other insects that work together. One is the ant. Okay, ants are insects that work or live in groups. Then this picture is that of a wasp. Wasps are also insects that live and work in a group. They live in colony. Then this picture is of termites. Termites are also insects that live in a group. Okay, so other than honeybees, there are insects like ants, wasps and termites that live and work in a group. Then if you take an ant's nest, in an ant's nest also you can see three types of ants: queen ant, then there is the soldier ant, and the worker ants. Okay, in an ant's nest you can see three types of ants. Just like in a honeybee colony, the queen ant lay eggs. Then soldier ant. When you hear the term soldier, you know it is the ant that looks after and guards the ant's nest. Okay, guards the nest. Guards nest. Okay, guards the ant's nest. Then the worker ants bring food. They bring food, they go around, search for food and they bring the food to the nest. So if you take an ant also, the ant's colony or an ant's nest also has queen ant, soldier ant and worker ants. Queen ant will lay the eggs, then worker ant will guard ant's nest, and worker ants will look around for food and bring it back to the nest. That's how an ant's colony works. So children, please read the page numbers 44 and 45 and 46 in your textbook. Okay, and when you say about ants, there are different types of ants. You must have seen ants of different colors. Okay, the same way honeybees are also of different types. Okay, so in an ant's nest you can majorly find these three types of ants. Okay, so children, we'll just revise what we learned in this video. We learned about the beehive. We learned that beehive is made of bee wax and the worker bees make the beehive. Each of these hexagon shaped structures is called as a comb. They will collect the nectar, spit it out into the comb and then seal it. After that it will change into honey. So in a beehive, in a particular beehive you can see three types of bees: queen bee, worker bee and the drone. Drone is the male bee, only few number of males are there. Then the worker bee always go around looking for nectar and bring it back to the beehive. They are the most important bees in the beehive. Queen bee lays egg. Likewise, other insects that live in colonies are ants, wasps and termites. So children, I hope this video is clear. Please read the pages 44 to 46. So thank you children.